Um, Good afternoon all. Thought I'd make a quick video on having got all the required cables for the Kenwood VC-H1. Hooked it into my bow hang as Jez done. Had to do a little bit of fettling. I think in construction, one of the keying part of the mechanism may have become pressed together. So I've now had a look at that, and it's no longer keying randomly, so that's okay. I've connected it in. That price is a little bit less than what I actually paid for it, and I've got another price on an older bag which is even lower, so it shows you over time these connectors have gone up with price. Anyway, we shall do an SSTV demo. I have got my bow hang here. I think it's a mighty 5 watts, and the Kenwood VC-H1. I'll adhere to the relevant ham radio or amateur radio standards, and first make sure that the frequency is clear. This is 2 Echo 0 Foxtrot Whiskey Echo, checking this frequency is clear. This is 2 Echo 0 Foxtrot Whiskey Echo, checking the frequency is clear. I have no response, and I will be commencing the SSTV test broadcast on this frequency. This is 2 Echo 0 Foxtrot Whiskey Echo. I will be doing test SSTV broadcasts on this frequency. So, there we go. That's my announcement done. And what I can do now, I'll turn the camera around on the SSTV unit. There we go. If I press, turn it on. Very good at it. There we go. Turn it on. And there's a picture of my ugly rug. If I click TX, we should the bow hang should kick into action and start transmitting, and we should be able to see it on the 705 or hear it. Takes a scan. That's the initial picture, and there we go. So we can hear that transmitting, and what I've done is I've reconfigured MMS TV to use the USB audio ports for the 705. I'll get the 705 on its original address and change the code. So there we go, we can see that my transition has been received. So if I use a template here, there's 2 Echo 0 Foxtrot Whiskey Echo /test. I'd say that's pretty much broadcast quality. Then again, it's only got to go a few meters through the air. But that said, it is going through brick wall, so yeah, 5 watts FM. So if I click on TX now, this will set the 705 transmitting through the diamond antenna, and should be received clearly by the little bow hang into the Kenwood VC-H1. So here we go. Let's see, best laid plans of mice and men. And I think my batteries have run out. Well, I've run out of batteries, so it's an easy fix. I shall do this very quickly. Funnily enough, it's kind of interesting in that respect that the batteries all face that way. And if you're doing a project like this or anything with remote power, I can recommend get your batteries from Amazon. Buy a big box like that and don't ever run out of AAs again. So here we go. Let me just put the phone down for a second. Yeah, I mean, these are Amazon basic batteries, and I bought, I think there's 50 in here. And I do think this device, the Kenwood VC-H1, does take a power adapter, because it does eat batteries with the display and camera. It does use a lot of batteries. So maybe I can one, see if it does take a power supply, and then one acquire one for it. There we are, almost there. One more battery to go. Oh, come on, you little rascal. Right, apologies for the battery. There we are, you can see they're all in now. 4 batteries, minus to the left. It's getting shot. 4 batteries there, all of the minus to the left, all the positive to the right, with the camera mounted vertically as it should be. Let's put the back on. There we are, and now we can see the screen. So let's try transmitting again. I think that's my HF rig you can hear in the background on 14 meters. But here we go. Let's transmit this 1970s cartoon picture and see if it comes through this time. And there we are. You can make it so the speaker doesn't operate like a walkie-talkie, but you can make it so you can hear everything, or you can hear voices come through, because people do sometimes speak on SSTV. If in this configuration, what I'd be thinking of doing is, if I was talking to a friend on 2 meters, I'll then be able to talk into this and listen to him in the speaker here, and then have a QSO before doing the SSTV image. I think that's a really useful feature. But here we go, yeah, we can see that has come through successfully. The little bow fang's done a mighty job there. So there we go. It's taken a fair few weeks since getting the original unit. A big thanks to everyone in getting the cables and still having them. So yeah, coming from all around the world, America, South Korea, Portugal. So yeah, I'll be doing a proper write-up on the blog. Again, thanks to Jez. I'm really looking forward to using this in the field. I'm going to look for a better antenna connector for the Bofeng, and then see what kind of portable antennas I can use with it. So yeah, the connector here, and then get say an SO239, so I can plug in a standard PL259 antenna, maybe a homebrew Yagi or something on 2 meters. Will be quite fun to test SSTV with, and make it nice and directional. See if I can get it up nice and high, so even with 10 watts I might be able to get out in the locality. What I'd like to do is, like, you know, have regular tests. I think to build momentum in something, you've got to do it regularly, and I think that'd be the thing. Yeah, do regular SSTV tests on a known frequency, and people will want to come and try as well. So yeah, here we go. We've done it. We've got the 705 transmitting a received picture back with a good broadcast rating of P5, and we have the bowphone speaking to the VC-H1 and receiving an image. All good. Looking forward to this, and thanks again to Jez for his great channel. Thoroughly enjoy all of your videos, including the Linux one. Very good man for doing that. Being a technologist myself, I like seeing other people teach technology. It's always interesting, because no matter what level you're at, you always learn something. So yeah, thanks to Jez again on that one. That'll do me for now. 73s. Hope you're all enjoying your radio hobby. Take care, stay safe, and 73 2E0 FWE. Until next time, bye bye.